Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today we're learning about loops.
Yeah, you know about loops already a little bit. Last time we did the loops in the countdown, New Year. Bless you. So it goes straight for the loop. So the first loop we'll learn is the for loop. So today we'll learn two types of loop. The while loop, you've seen it. We'll talk about that later. But the first one is the for loop. So imagine you want to print out those messages. So instead of doing that repeatedly every line by line, the for loop can help you to do this. Remember we've learned the list thing last time? Yeah, so imagine we have this in a list. So weekdays equals this list of days. And then the for loop works like this. For, you give it a new variable name. We call it a day. And this says in the list. That way it will go through each of the days in the list, weekdays, and then do this print one by one, right? So here it will do print the same result as the previous list here. Basically, we link the day plus the string that's not changing afterwards. So it's like printing Monday, 8:30 go to school, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, that's easy. Well, in the loop, we sometimes want to break the loop because we don't want the loop to continue.
Don't you just write break?
Yeah, you write break. That's right. So imagine this example. We have the days here, which includes Saturday and Sunday. Obviously, we don't want to print Saturday, Sunday, go to school, right? So for day in the days, if we just do this, it will print Monday to Sunday, 8:30 go to school. Yeah, but we don't want to go to school on Sunday and Saturdays. So how can you use the break to break this?
So you just write break.
But you need to check whether it's Saturday or Sunday first, right? If it's Monday, Tuesday, whatever, you don't want to break. So how do you do it here?
I think it's if.
If what?
If Saturday.
What is Saturday?
Okay.
So remember this day here, for day in days, right? So the days is the list we given here. And the day is each day in that days.
Oh, so
right?
it's like if for
if
days
yes
in
not days, day, right? Days is the whole list. So
day equal Saturday plus Sunday. Wait, break.
There's no plus, right? Plus if you
plus. I said plus Saturday plus Sunday.
Saturday plus Sunday will become a new string. That's Saturday and Sunday, right? You cannot use plus.
So it's Saturday, and then it's like Sunday. But there's something in the middle, right?
Yeah. You want to use all?
Yeah, all, probably. I'm just thinking of all and then.
So if Saturday day equals Saturday day, or day equals Sunday break. But you don't need to do that because the loop only goes this list one by one, right? Once the break is called, it will stop. It will not continue, right? So for example, imagine this. In this example, you will print Monday, go to school, then you check. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, then the Saturday comes. You say if day equals Saturday, break, like this. It's already break. It's not going to go into the next one Sunday at all.
Oh.
So you don't need to use the all to check everything. It's just that the first thing you want to check to break, it breaks, and then afterwards it's not going to continue the whole loop. Yeah. So, but there's an issue with this. Can you see it?
There's no Sunday break.
No, Sunday we don't need to because when the Saturday,
yeah.
it's already broke. It
Oh
already
yeah,
break.
after the Sunday, the Monday is also gonna break.
No, the loop doesn't go again and again. It only go once.
Okay.
The for loop only loop the whole thing once.
Oh yeah, isn't it the go to school? It's only go to school.
It is this, but do you know why it is? This is an issue.
Because it's gonna go like Saturday go to school.
Yes.
So
So it
you
will
go
print
to
Saturday go to school first and then break. The Saturday still got print out, which we don't want to. So the change is we move the break before the print, right? So that way, if it's Saturday, you break, then it's not gonna print Saturday go to school. Make sense? So it's the same as our countdown example. The order of the code matters.
So the order is really important.
Yeah. So okay, and then we have this another example. You can see the list here. Sunday is at the beginning now. The list has an order, right? So if we do the for loop here, the first day comes will be Sunday, not Monday.
Then it's gonna become like
Sunday go to school will get print out because we didn't break or do anything to Sunday, right? In the last example, this is the code from the last example, right? So it only breaks when it hits here when Saturday comes. So it's still gonna print out Sunday, Monday, Friday. So what we introduce here is a continue of the loop. So that's what you have understood before. It continues, it skips this thing, but it continues to the next one. So that's how continue works. So here we put another check, say if day equals Sunday, we continue. So basically we don't go to the print. The continue will stop the current loop function at this place and then go straight into the next loop. So here at the beginning of the loop we say if day is Sunday, we continue. We do nothing about Sunday. Then it will continue the next one straight to Monday, right? So Monday comes in, okay, all good, print Monday, go to school, and then until Friday. The Saturday comes, it stops, because Saturday here, you break, you don't print. Make sense? So the difference between continue and break is continue will skip the current loop, go to the next step, and the break will break the whole loop. You don't do any other items in the loop anymore. Yeah, so that's the difference, continue and break. Yeah. Now we have the while loop. While loop is something a little bit different. So the for loop loops the whole list. The while loop doesn't take the list. It takes a condition. So we give this variable d equals 1 here. So just say it's the first
thing in the list.
Not the first thing, but the list start, the index of the list start at 0. Still remember that? So the Sunday here is 0, right?
Oh.
So Monday is
1.
actually 1. So we say day is 1. So we start with Monday, right? While it's like if the day, the d here is smaller and equal to 5, then we can continue the loop, right? So the first number here is 1. 1 is smaller than 5, yes? Then go into loop, print the days, the index. So that's Monday, 1, yeah? Go to school. And then here we have to change the condition. Change the d to make it move 1 after,
2.
right? So it becomes, so this simple plus equals. Have you seen that before?
No, but I think it makes sense.
Yeah, so basically it's a d equals d plus 1. Like straightforward. You don't need to type the d again, basically. Yeah. So d plus 1, it makes d equals 2. Then we go to Tuesday. And then Tuesday it goes back, say 2 is 2 smaller equals 5, yes? Then go into the loop again. Until the d is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Friday. Friday 5 is still smaller and equal to 5, right? It's equals to 5. So we still go here, print out Friday is go to school. And then once this hit, the D becomes 6, it goes back to this beginning of the loop, check the condition 6 is not smaller than 5 anymore.
Okay.
So it stops there. Yeah. So that's how it stops the loop by change the condition inside the loop. Otherwise, it will be an infinite loop. Basically, like if you don't change the condition or you say, while true, it's always true, right? Then it will continue the loop forever.
Okay.
That's called an infinite loop. Yeah. So in the while loop, we also have continue and break. So in this example, if the beginning of the D is 0, so we loop the whole thing, right? From the 0 index Sunday, Monday, Tuesday until the last one 7. Last one 6, right? So this one we use this thing. So every time we give the D +1, and then it's the same as before. If it's Sunday, we continue. If it's Saturday, we break, and then it goes like this.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's a tiny issue with this, but I don't think it's gonna affect the final result. But you get the idea, like the break and the continue, how it works. Because I put the D +1 here in the first line. The Sunday basically never get there because the first index will be 1 already. Because when we hit the thing, the Sunday never gonna run. So the order actually really matters.
Okay.
So to fix this, you actually need to put the +1 after maybe here, but also inside here you need to +1 before the continue, because otherwise it's not gonna +1.
Okay.
So yeah, something more about order of the code.
Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes.
So there are a lot more about loops, so you can still go to WSG Schools. Remember that website?
Probably, I think link will be in the description.
Yeah. So those places you can check all the other examples of the loops. If you hit any issues, you can ask ChatGPT maybe. I think currently you've learned a lot of basic stuff about coding already, like the loop, list, all those things. So next we'll do another special episode.
Okay.
So we will create a escape game that it's pure text, but you want to escape the back rooms.
But sort of that would be too hard to code, so
Yeah,
something else.
No, I will guide you. So
well, the backrooms have about the numbers of levels are so big that I can't even remember.
yeah,
It was like 9 2 2 3 3 4 4 something.
That's where
2 4 4 0 and some more numbers.
that's where we can use the loop, because the computer can do infinite loop. Doesn't matter how many levels you have. We can use random numbers. We can use loops. We can do a lot of things. So in the next one, you can. I will help you to do this game, and then we'll ask the ChatGPT, the robot, to do this game as well. Let's see which one is doing better.
Well, there's definitely only gonna be one win.
I think we will win.
There's only gonna be one win. Because the chances of surviving the backrooms is 0.01.
We can make different levels, like easy level, normal level, hard level, and then the chance can be different.
I know level
'Cause
6
we
has
control the
a
game.
chase for 10 kilometers.
We can control the game, so we can make it interesting. Cool.
So, bye.
See you next time.